Page 12. Unit 2. Camping. Lesson 1. In the woods. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Study insects.
2,
Identify trees.
3,
Pick wild strawberries.
4,
Find animal tracks.
5,
Explore a cave.
6.
Collect leaves.
Page 12. B. Listen and number. Then talk about the picture. 1,
There are so many trees here. This is a good place to collect leaves.
I have 5 different leaves. How many do you have, Julie?
I have 8 leaves. They're red, green, brown, and yellow.
I can use my book to identify the trees.
I like that gray one. What kind of tree is it, Carla?
Here's a picture of it. It's called a birch tree.
2,
What are you doing, Emma? I'm finding animal tracks. There are some long tracks in the mud next to this river. I think they're from a rabbit. Rabbits have long feet.
3,
Look at this cave. I can see frogs and spiders in there. Can we explore a cave, James?
It's too late in the afternoon, Danny. We can explore one in the morning.
Okay, I'll bring my flashlight.
4,
Will you help me pick wild strawberries, Jay?
Sorry, I'm studying insects.
There are insects on these strawberries. You can study them.
You're right. Those are black ants. See, they have 6 legs. They like strawberries a lot.
I like strawberries a lot too.
Page 13. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What was she doing in the morning?
She was studying insects.
What was she doing in the afternoon?
She was studying insects.
Study. Studying. Identify. Identifying. Pick. Picking. Find. Finding. Explore. Exploring. Collect. Collecting.
1,
What was she doing in the morning?
She was studying insects.
2,
What was she doing in the afternoon? She was identifying trees.
3,
What was he doing in the morning?
He was picking wild strawberries.
4,
What was he doing in the afternoon? He was finding animal tracks.
5,
What was she doing in the morning?
She was exploring a cave.
6,
What was she doing in the afternoon? She was collecting leaves.
Page 13. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Was he studying insects in the morning?
Yes, he was.
Was he studying insects in the morning?
No, he wasn't. He was identifying trees.
Was he studying insects in the afternoon?
Yes, he was.
Was he studying insects in the afternoon?
No, he wasn't. He was identifying trees.
Wasn't. Was not.
1,
Was he studying insects in the morning?
Yes, he was.
2,
Was she collecting leaves in the afternoon?
No, she wasn't. She was exploring a cave.
3,
Was he picking wild strawberries in the morning?
No, he wasn't. He was collecting leaves.
4,
Was she finding animal tracks in the afternoon?
Yes, she was.
5,
Was he identifying trees in the morning?
Yes, he was.
6,
Was she exploring a cave in the afternoon?
No, she wasn't. She was picking wild strawberries.